Hello everyone, welcome to CharmingLED channel. This is Tina and today I will introduce you to our CP series cabinets. Our cabinets are divided into three types: covered screen, regular screen and flexible screen. Available in two sizes, 500 and 518mm, 500 and 1018mm. CP series cabinets advantages: hard connection, no need covers. Magnets quickly disassembled. Ball and range maintenance. Turn this knob and then the full lock can be activated. In the unlock stage, the module can be quickly disassembled and unlocked. Flexible cabinets, overlocking, adjustable to plus or minus 20 and 2.5 degrees. A pieces can be assembled into a cylinder. Further cabinets, overlocking, adjustable to plus and minus 10 degrees. 13 and 6 pieces can be assembled into a cylinder, up and down. Left and right. Hey, that's all for today's video. If you also interested in this product, please feel free to contact us.